box comes with a lens hood, a lens cover and some paperwork. I really like the feel of this lens, nice and hefty, and I also like the design of this Zeiss lens. It's not very heavy. Mounting this lens on the A7 III, it just looks amazing. The weight of the lens has a perfect balance that is required for the setup. Compared to the Zeiss 55mm lens, the 24-70 f4 lens has a very similar construction and it's only slightly bigger than the Zeiss 55mm lens. Now a small b-roll of this lens camera setup shot with the Xt3. Now let's look at focusing performance with the A7 III with the AFC wide as well as AFC center. So I hope you like the first look of this lens. I will do a detailed review and upload it with some footage as well as some photos that were taken with the 24-70 f4 lens. Thanks for watching.